Hancom Office Show 2014. خليك في البيت. How can we find the specific capacity of a substance? There are several methods we can use to determine the specific capacity of a substance. But remember that to calculate this value, we will always need to know the mass of the substance, the amount of heat energy supplied to it, as well as its starting temperature and final temperature. All of these slightly different approaches involve heat exchange. The heat from a hot body is used to warm a colder body. And approaching these heat exchange calculations, we use the principle that the heat energy lost from the hot body will equal the heat gained by the cold body. Heat energy lost by hotter body is equal to heat energy gained by the colder body. Sometimes we try to prevent heat loss to the surroundings using insulation. The experimental approach of measuring heat capacities and the heat exchanges during chemical and physical processes is called calorimetry. Worked example: a 300-gram block of brass at 298 Kelvin is supplied with 1026 joule of energy from an electrical heater. Calculate the final temperature of the brass block after this heating, assuming that there has been no heat loss. The specific heat energy of brass 380 joule per kilogram Kelvin. Q is equal to mc change of T. State principle or equation to be used. From definition of the specific heat capacity, change of T is equal to Q over mc. Rearrange equation to make change of T the subject. In this case, m is equal to 0.30 kilogram, C is equal to 380 joule per kilogram Kelvin, and the heat energy, the quantity of heat, 1026 joule. Then change of T must be 1026 joule divided by 0.30 kilogram times 380 joule per kilogram Kelvin. It's become 9 Kelvin. We found it as, so the final temperature will be 298 Kelvin plus 900 Kelvin, which must be 307.